Well, I've got the passenger side subframe connector installed. The only challenging part was the rear, because you have to have the leaf springs in, and the car at ride height, you know, the rear end is supported by jack stands, so it's at ride height. The weight is on the rear, but you have to have the leaf springs in. If you notice this bolt, here, well, first I'll show you the subframe connector. That's the subframe connector, the Gen 2 connector, and it comes to the back. And the leaf spring is really in the way here when you're trying to drill and put the bolts in. If you notice this bolt, I was able to put it through with the head on this side, so there's no issue with that bolt. But this one was so close to the leaf spring that I couldn't put the bolt in from this direction. I had to put it in from the other side. So I'm just going to have to take a cut-off wheel and cut off the end of that bolt so it's not contacting the leaf spring. Not really a big deal. And you don't want to put these in too tight back here, because you will bend your I guess that's called the rear frame when you tighten them down. As far as the front goes, you can see there's one bolt that goes all the way through the frame, and then there's actually two bolts on the back because the bushing is in the way, so one bolt comes in from each side. There we go, like so, and it will kind of bend the tabs of the subframe connector. It'll bend them in close to the vehicle, but that thing's in there pretty solid. And it's nice that it's not welded, so it can be taken out. There you can see it installed in the car. It's really nice. The clearance is correct. It's not going to hit the floorboard. You can see, well, maybe you can't see on this recording. There you go. There's a slight space in between the floorboard, so it's perfect fit. Went in there really well. All right, thanks for watching.